I am the AfroGirl and welcome to MX Breakz right here, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. Let's start right with our very first story. Now, Famia has asked his fellow musicians to be mindful of the kind of managers they work with to prevent an unfortunate situation or future grudges. According to him, artists must be careful of managers who want to be superstars on a higher level as compared to the artists themselves. He went on to add that such managers are devils who come in the form of angels. The rapper's statement comes in the wake of the perceived bitter-turned relationships between some musicians and their managers, which have become a subject of discussion in recent times. Now, moving on to Nigeria, veteran Nollywood actor Chiwetalu Agwu has shed more light on a spiritual attack he suffered that left him bedridden. In an interview, the actor disclosed that there were all sorts of strange items being removed from his body, like cowries, pins, sea stones, and fetish substances. He noted that he was so sick that he lost weight and people thought he was going to die from the attack. Agwu was aware that he had been struck with juju, and he went through so much to alleviate himself from the pain. He also made note of a prophet Ugo, who was of great help to him, as he was the one who he would go to for treatment. The prophet apparently would apply holy oil on him, using it to pinpoint the location of the fetish items hidden in his body, after which, they'll pull them out. The actor also emphasized the fact that he still has all of those things that they took out of him as proof of God's wonders. Wow. Moving to some international stories, the Barbie movie was pulled from theaters in Algeria this week, almost 1 month after its release in the North African country. Algeria's culture ministry supervises the content of films projected in cinemas and can stop them from being shown. According to a source, it was said that the film promotes homosexuality and other Western deviances, and that it does not comply with Algeria's religious and cultural beliefs. Apart from Algeria, we have Lebanon and Kuwait, who have also banned the film. But what do you think? Because if you've watched the movie, is what they're saying, does it have any truth to it? Let us know your thoughts on our social media platforms. But moving to our last story, former NFL player Michael Oha, the subject of the book and later movie The Blind Side, is suing his family, claiming they never adopted him, but instead had him sign papers making Sean and Leah and Tuhai his conservators. Oha is reportedly asking the court to end the Tuhi family's conservatorship, stop them from using his name and likeness, and provide a full account of their earnings from using his name. In addition to unspecified compensatory and punitive damages, he is also reportedly seeking a fair share of profits. According to Oha, after The Blind Side aired, he didn't get any funds from the movie. However, the Tuhis, including their 2 birth children, got millions of dollars in royalties from the Oscar-winning film. And also, people on social media are saying that they should take Sandra Bullock's Oscar from her because she won an award for Best Actress in Leading Role in 2010. They should take it from her because, the story is really a bit far-fetched as compared to the actual story because, as they are telling us right now, they didn't actually adopt him. It was just a conservatorship sort of relationship. But again, that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. Don't forget to follow me and MX24 on all social media platforms at MX24GH for everything entertainment and lifestyle. I'm out.